Alright, back to the workshop after a mint weekend in Taupo for Drift Matsuri. Handbrake didn't work too good over the weekend, so I had to keep tightening it after each session pretty much, so the cables are absolutely stuffed. And a few hiccups with blowing and clutch, but that's part of drifting, I guess. So we just pulled out the old handbrake. I'd made this up for the last Matsuri. Felt a bit awkward pulling up and back. I was still grabbing from down here. So I'm going to scrap all this. But I think the missus was pretty keen to grab this and take it home with her. So it was definitely time to upgrade to a hydraulic handbrake. Just went with a cheap Chinese eBay style one, but seems to do the job. Get our bracket welded in there, slap a bit of primer on her, and then we can get the hydro bolted in, hook up our lines, bleed our brakes, and we'll be good to go. So you can see this one here is running forward through the firewall here. I don't know if you can see that, through the firewall. And then that's going to run through this one here. So this one here is our new line coming from the reservoir port on the hydro, and that's going to plug into our rear brakes on the master cylinder here. And then the pressure side of the hydro is this one. It's running through, and I've just drilled a hole in the back of the car there, which comes out. I don't know if you can see that. Comes out under there, then runs through into the T to left and right, going to our new Z32 calipers. So that side there is pretty much all good to go. Just going to come around this side, put on our new rotor and caliper, and I'm also replacing the old rubber hoses with either a fixed line or stainless steel braided line, which are the old hoses off the S15 down there. So we should have oodles more braking. I might need to get some new brake pads for these Z32s because they're looking pretty greasy and yuck. And I should have really put new rotors on at some stage, but we'll see how it goes. These have probably got another half a mil to their wear limit, so we'll see how it goes. And then $150 for a new set, which is pretty good. So we'll get the heat gun, dry that primer, then bolt everything up.